Hello everybody, my name is Russell and thank you so much for joining me here today. For all you newbies, welcome, and anybody who is coming back, it's really good to see you again. So here we are, it's late, it's an evening, my dinner is in the oven and I have a plant to unbox. The plant is in here. I hope you can see it. I'm sure you can see it. Let me have a look. Everything's right. The camera's in the right place, so you can see it. I just thought I'd better check because there's no point in doing an unboxing, is there, if you can't see what I'm doing. So let's try again, shall we? So this is a philodendron. A philodendron. I've got loads of philodendrons. A philodendron Florida Beauty. Now I have my Florida Ghost in here, which you've seen before. I'll put a picture here for you so you can see that. I've had that about 5-6 months, I think. Still not ready to be potted up yet, but I am going to transfer that from moss to soil propagation soon. So we shall bring that to you. Bit of a worry because obviously it's quite a big change, but everything will be all right. So yes, back to today. This is a Philodendron Florida Beauty. There's two in here, and this is my birthday present to myself and from a few people. And yes, so my birthday is next week, but when this is posted, it should probably be on the day. So I'm very excited. So I've got a rule now because I've got quite a few plants. I think it's nearly 50 now, which is not a lot compared to a lot of you out there. But I don't have a lot of room, so it'll be one plant in and one plant out if I buy any new ones. So I need to really think about what plants I buy in the future. But let's get down to this. This is the Philodendron Florida Beauty, variegated. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. So shall we get started? Remember, sharp scissors, be careful when you open the box. You want to be careful just because you don't want to be going into any of the leaves. Now this is going to be difficult. Where are we? Someone's actually really done this well. I'll put some stats up for the Florida Beauty. Okay, temperature, height, what it likes. As I say, I've just got in from work, my dinner is in the oven, and this is going to be a very fast one. So I'm taking the scissors and I'm just going to open it up. I can't wait, I'm really excited, as this is my birthday present. Wow. Ooh. How exciting. Loads of styrofoam again. Always styrofoam. This is what we've got so far. Can't see any plants yet, so you might be the first one to see it before me. So let me just empty some of this on the floor. Oh. So there's two here, so very exciting, really well. My cat is hidden away. She doesn't like silver wrapping paper, so. And there's two here. One was variegated and one wasn't slightly variegated. So, oh wow. Big plant, wow. I thought they were very small cuttings, but oh, it's really done. Look at this, isn't that really beautiful? I'll have to find a home for these now. I thought these were going to be smaller, but it's brilliant. Here we go. So this is in moss. Oh, so this is the one that isn't very variegated at all, but he told me that. But that's fine because I haven't got either, so That's one. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Let me take all this off. Wow. So that's one of them. Very excited. Oh, it's a lot more stronger than I thought. Leaves are a lot more robust than I thought they would be. Wow, so one. And the second one. So. Number two. I can see the variegation of this one, even through this covering. So, you see that? You're going to see it before I am. Oh, wow. This is a smaller one, but look at that. That is beautiful. How exciting. Oh my gosh. So we have two. This is the same plant, he said, but this leaf was a darker leaf. So we've got two. This one has a much bigger leaf here. So Philodendron Florida Beauty. So I'm going to go off and make sure this moss is damp. And yeah, wow, I'm so excited. Wow. The last plants for a while. I'm not going to be buying any more. So how exciting. Philodendron Florida Beauty. Great to see you. Thank you so much for joining me for that unboxing. It's a really short video, as unboxings usually are, unless you have like 5 or 6 plants. So please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me, and I shall see you soon. Bye.